Medium red, right?
Reopening is like equal parts exciting and scary.
Dan Simons is planning for the day his restaurant Founding Farmers can finally move beyond to-go orders and back to serving guests at tables. One thing he's yet to decide, just how many people should be allowed to sit at those tables.
6 sounds like a really good number to me. Maybe that number is 8, 10 feels a little big. I'm gonna wait to see what the guidance is, from each state.
As states weigh things like where cafes should put hand sanitizer and which employees should wear masks, they're also deciding how many people can sit together. They're coming up with different limits, even as they all battle the same virus. A table for 6 is the maximum in many states. In Alabama, 8 can be seated at a table. And in states including Arkansas and Virginia, a party of 10 is okay. States also set different rules for how many people can be in a restaurant, a range from 25% max capacity to no limits at all.
It's hard to actually know as a consumer what's safe.
Sure, and what we would expect in a circumstance like this is for the CDC to give some relatively detailed guidance or suggestions about how to sort through those questions. Those capacities just don't exist at the state and local level.
The CDC says tables should be 6 feet apart, but has not weighed in on party size. The agency leaves it to states and local authorities to set seating limits based on the virus spread and capacity of healthcare systems in their own communities.
I do believe that the CDC could do more and certainly has the capacity to do more.
The CDC director told senators last week states can consult the agency directly for advice on reopening.
Reach out to CDC and we'll give guidance directly to anyone in your state.
With restaurants in 3 states plus D.C., Dan Simons will be following 4 different sets of rules as he determines when a family or group of friends is just too big to dine together safely.
We'll probably pick one number and do that consistently regardless of what state we're in. That is my job, to create an environment that folks feel comfortable in.
Patrick Terpstra, Newsy, Washington.